The way that you align in the flow, there is something. Hello there, welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Evans Tugume and I'm an entrepreneur and a content creator living out here in Kampala, Uganda. My week starts with a trip to the farm. Now, this is a family farm and it's located out here in Mpigi, which is only a few kilometers from Kampala. I do this every now and then because it's an escape for me away from the noise of the city, but it's also a chance for me to meet the workers, do some work at the farm, but also bring back some food home. This farm has got all kinds of things, from animals to birds and all kinds of crops. But I think my favorite thing is to actually go and chill in the love forest, which you guys will see in a minute. So first things first, bumpered the gumboots to wear. Of course I will need these because jetugenda okubeera wabaayo buli kimu mu nature. So gumboots for safety. Nga toka tuzireke wano. This place is very beautiful.
I'm thinking about you. Boy, I miss you. And maybe ever since that day you went away, yeah, I can't live without you. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind.
So, what is this thing that they call creator's block? If you're creative or a very talented person, you may be an artist, you know what I mean when I say creator's block. There can occur a period whereby the ideas or the flow of ideas in the way that you align to are not flowing as you know they have been flowing, or if you've been in the flow, you're no longer in the flow, you're out of it, you know. So I want to speak a little bit about it and how I understand it, you know. So for you, for any creative out there, I'm sure you've gone through this period whereby the ideas are not coming. And usually what you do, or what you attempt to do, is to try and force ideas. In fact, like, am I not a creative anymore? And the truth is, you're still a creative, but ideas now, this is what I think happens. Fenga fetuli creative, yes, but creativity in itself does not come from our minds. You know, these ego minds of ours, it does not come from there. Because if it did, then it would be something that we can find when we've lost it, you know. But what happens is that creativity comes from our higher selves. It comes from the source, or what you'd call God, you know. Fenga fetubera just vessels through which that creativity flows. So creativity webanga teriwo mu kiseera ekyo, the solution to that is not you attempting to do it by force, or to force ideas, or to like try to get stressed about the ideas not being present. Wabula choino kola is to actually forget about creating at all. Like, just be chill, relax yourself, go on a walk, go to the gym, do something that is outside of your creativity. Go interact with people, because you would find that when you align yourself into a certain state whereby you're not trying to force anything, like this, the creativity comes back. You've had a lot of guys say, like, a lot of artists, you've had them say like something like nali ndi mu kinabiro idea gyava, oba I was doing something totally opposite from what you would expect, and then idea nejanti, this is this. So that explains creator's block. Nti fenga creative, we are only vessels for creativity to flow. Creativity teva mbongo bwaffe buno, like we thought, So webange ebuzenga you're under that period of what you would call creator's block. Chobo inokola is to go in nature, find inspiration in nature, and do not try to force the creativity, because trying to force it, actually, if you've been a creative long enough, you know that it doesn't work. Techikola. So chobo inokola is to just chill, and when you're in that state again and you've aligned yourself into that phase whereby the Most High, or God, because what was state whereby creativity is flowing, and when you're in that state again, it's an energy thing. When you're in that state again, the ideas will pop back again, just like that. Anyway, now can you write Sawa's number Demuka creator's block, and what I'm doing is not to try and force it. What I'm doing is not try to come up with ideas, but what I'm doing is trying to just relax, and in due time, when I've aligned myself, I don't know when that time will be, but I know that when I'm aligned, the creativity will come back. Okay, the ideas will come back, and I will do what I need to do. So byonna byetukola tebivamu ego minds zaffe like most of us think. Anyway, that's enough talking. Love you guys. Stick around to the end of this video, because I will be cooking some of this very food that I just picked up from the farm. For the fact that I stay alone, there is no way that I would keep all this food to myself. So the first thing I did was go to my friends and share some of this food. But also they have dogs, and I've been in the market for a dog, or a puppy, let's say. So me, Trophy, and Jude.
Guy, come, go to him. Bad. Ono bamuyita Bad. Bamufamu. Ababeere ng'abazungu. Nga tennabaluma be babeera.
Okay, good morning guys, how are you doing? Beautiful Thursday morning, and I'm here in Kampala. I'm at a place called the Little Cafe. It's a nice little restaurant here in Chisasi, Bukoto, on the northern bypass. Now I'm here to pick up a coffee because I'm going to the gym and I need some caffeine in my system. I mean, it's very, very early in the morning. It's about 7 a.m. actually. So I'm picking up a coffee to get my adrenaline up so I can go to the gym. But after the gym, I am going to be going back home. I'll be doing meal preps, which I want to also show you guys. I want to show you how I prepare my meals that can take me maybe 3 to 4 days. So from the gym, we're going to go back home and do that. But also, this is a realistic day in my life. So if you want to see something like that, this is the kind of video that you need to be watching, and I encourage you to stay along until the end. I encourage you to like the video, I encourage you to subscribe, I encourage you to share it, and comment what you like, you know, down in the comments. But as for now, as I'm waiting for my coffee, I gotta say bye, and see you at the gym. So I have my banana, I have coffee right here, which is about what I need if I'm not using my pre-workout, which I also have, but I don't always like using it. I prefer to have this as my caffeine or as my pre-workout instead of the powdered pre-workout. But anyway, let's get on the road and go to Nalia. That's the gym that I want to use today. It's a private gym, it's a hotel gym, so that's where I want to go. Yeah, let's get there, okay? Okay, so I'm taking my coffee, getting that caffeine in before I start my workout. So I was eating, it's about 8 a.m. I'm not rushing it because I mean the entire day I don't have so much to do besides workout, go make my meal preps, and maybe do some reading, tidy up the home. You know, njala nnyo okulongoosa wembeera, njala nnyo okulongoosa wensula, so I think I'll do that as well. So no rush with it, no rush with it. This coffee is good, so Little Cafe, thanks for the coffee. What do I intend to do today? I'm going to train legs, but I'm also going to, I'd like to train my shoulders as well because I've seen they're lacking. And take it day by day because, I mean, for the past like maybe 2 or 3 months, I actually haven't been big on exercising or going to the gym, so I've even lost some weight in the process. Not lost a lot of weight, but I've like not, I can't see my gains, you know, that I had earlier. Maybe I've lost maybe about 1 or 2 kgs, so it is what it is. We're not just only after, you know, getting buffed up. We are also after, you know, we're after full physical wellness, full spiritual wellness, and, you know, mental wellness as well. So It's not just about the body, but also about the mind, about the heart, about our spirit as well. So it is what it is. I'm getting ready to go and train my legs. I think I'll start with my hamstrings. I don't know, whichever I start with. I don't want to lock myself in as yet. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning. How you guys are spending Christmas? Christmas is somewhere along. Christmas is somewhere around the corner. So how are you guys spending yours? Because for me, I'm not big on these holidays, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not big on holidays. In fact, what I would do, or what I usually plan to do, is I stay home. I stay home and watch TV. Not TV, but watch some movies, those old movies. I watch those. And if, because usually I don't like to move out on the big days themselves, because every place you'd go to is actually packed with so many people. So I don't usually want to go out on those big days. I stay in and then maybe I go out on the day after. So Christmas, I might stay in, I might be in, just watching movies. But yeah, it is what it is. Let's get into this workout. I don't want to talk a lot, so there'll be less talking until I'm done with it. And yeah, enjoy this one, guys. Don't forget to support me by liking the video, by subscribing. And also, if you do want to work out with me, if you want to train with me perhaps or sometime, all you have to do is reach out. I'll put all my details right here, so you can reach out to me and we see what we can do with that, okay? Bye.
You can change everything in 90 days if you go all in. One season of tunnel vision can destroy a lifetime of mediocrity. You don't need a new year, you need a new level of obsession. Stop negotiating with laziness. Stop waiting for motivation. Discipline builds empires faster than desire ever will. Millionaires move with purpose. They wake up early, execute without emotion, and don't care who's watching. Every day is a new opportunity to multiply your momentum. Don't aim for balance, aim for breakthrough. There's a version of you that's already rich, already respected, already unstoppable. Go meet them.
Good. Quick change of programs. I know that you guys were expecting a cooking video, but I got booked out for.
That's it.
You're not in it right now.
No, not it.
Yeah.
I speak. Me am anorexia.
Anyway, guys, we're at a beautiful restaurant. I'm doing a documentation for the beautiful ladies here. Kind of like a lunch thing, something like that. So, as far as the cooking goes, I'll be cooking when I get home. But right now, I'm doing something for these guys. I'm shooting a vlog for Miss Donna's channel. So for you to see the cooking, please stay along until the end of this video. When I'm done with this shoot, I'll show you guys what I'll be doing. But as for now, this is what I'm doing. And if you're watching me and you perhaps want to also film a vlog for yourself, or you have a brand, want to shoot some reels, that's something I can help you with. So just contact me on the numbers below, and I'll surely be happy to serve you and be of help. Okay, bye. A quick change of plans. I thought that after the gym I would be going home to cook, but then I got booked by my friend Donna, who is filming for our own YouTube channel. So go ahead and support her. Go check The African Living on YouTube and follow her. But also I want to let you know that I do film for other content creators. If you're out there and you're a content creator in Uganda or even outside Uganda and you want perhaps some good quality visuals, just do contact me and we'll be in touch and we'll do some magic, okay?
You swapped out Rolls Royces for all the other cars.
No, that too. That was fun.
Oh, look at all the carbon fibre. Also, is it just me or does this have 488 headlights in it?
Very similar to this Ferrari.
I don't think I've ever seen one IRL.
Well, there you are. IRL.
Green, but it's pretty close. There he is. That I've ever owned.
So, doesn't have to produce a...
I think by now you can tell that this car photo area is one of my favorite places actually in the house. And yeah, I like it. I'm proud of what I set up here. Anyway, I know you guys have been expecting a cooking, segment of this video, and I don't aim to disappoint you. I'm going to actually give you guys a cooking video and show you how I cook my food and how I make my meal preps that can take me maybe 2 to 3 days. Now, early in the video, I think you saw me do some work. I was supposed to do this cooking earlier, but I got booked. I got booked by a brand, The African Living. They do African culture kind of style. They want to showcase African food, something like that. So they were visiting a local restaurant and they were going to try out their food and review it. So they called me and booked me, and I had to go and do that work, make a nice vlog for them. And this is something that I do, by the way. If you're watching me and you want to shoot content yourself, or you want to you have a brand and you want to shoot some reels, perhaps maybe you want to shoot long form, whatever it is, maybe you want photos, I'll put my contacts below this video, and you can reach out, and we can work together. You could be having maybe an Airbnb that you want to showcase, a unique place, maybe a hotel, maybe a resort. You could I can work with a lot of brands, maybe men's health, things that do with men's health. I'm happy to also, work with people in that segment. I'm happy to work with people in the travel industry, Yeah, so do contact me. I'll put my numbers below here. And let's get to working. As of right now, I'm going to cook chicken curry, and then I'll also cook some rice. I'll also cook... I have Irish. Yeah, I have Irish. So rice, Irish. Yeah, I'll cook rice and Irish. I do have a lot of food in my house. I'm very, very blessed. And yeah, enjoy this video, guys. Okay? Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And subscribe, okay? Because it helps me. And we're on the road to 10K subscribers, okay?
Wake up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. The melody's pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Yeah, baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.